One of the main ways that the SAT writing section is going to trick you is with something that I like to call the flock of seagulls trick. So, here it goes. Imagine that you hear the following sentence. The flock of seagulls landed on the lake and they all started eating the fish. Does it sound wrong to you? To most people it sounds totally correct, but it's actually grammatically incorrect completely. Here's why. The flock of seagulls landed on the lake. That's a singular object, right? It's a singular subject, rather. So that means that there's one thing, the flock of seagulls. But the sentence is, the flock of seagulls landed and they started eating the fish. Well, who are they? According to the SAT and according to proper grammar in general, if you use a plural pronoun, you need a plural subject. But there is no plural in this sentence. Now I know what you might be saying. Come on, it's the seagulls. The seagulls are the they. True, but the seagulls were never introduced grammatically. There is no plural seagulls. It's just the flock of seagulls, which is its own singular noun clause. That means that it has to be one of two things. The flock of seagulls landed on the lake and it started eating the fish, or the flock of seagulls landed on the lake and the birds within it started eating the fish. You can't have a they when there is no plural. They do this all the time. They'll say things like, the team did this, and then they did this. And you think, oh yeah, of course, the people on the team are the they. But there is no team members introduced. Or the board of directors had a long meeting and they decided to sell the company. Who is they? It's the board of directors. So it's one thing, it's a singular. So always look out for this. They'll always use group words with things like teams or flocks or herds or the college, because you imagine lots of people working for and going to a college. But if it's one thing, it needs to be referred to as one thing by the pronouns that point at it. If you remember the flock of seagulls trick, you'll always avoid these kinds of tricks when you take your test. Cheers.